Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver tutorial video. In this video, we are going to explore about SystemEver overall introduction. This video will make you know more about our SystemEver. We will take a close look about the system, models, and visual kei. The first one is the login screen. This is the login screen where you can use your ID and your password that you already set before. And remember, each user ID has different roles, models, based on their position. We also inform you that you cannot use double login while using the system. This is good for your user's safety. So, let's get into the system. Now, we already get into the system. As you can see, there are several models that we can use in the system. You can choose models that you want by click on the icon. Right now, we have several models like system operation, corporate, sales, purchase, inventory control, human resources, payroll, accounting export, production, subcontract, import, and costs. Remember, after you click the icon, it will provide a drop-down menu that related to the models. For example, if you click the corporate, it will show you business information, organizational structure, customer vendor, item, currency rates, and closing processing. After that, if we click on the menu, the screen will pop out automatically. Yes. And our SystemEver use the multiple tab system, so we can open more than one active menu. This is very useful because we don't have to close menu that we are using right now. The next one is visual kei. Now, I will introduce you the visual kei, one of the useful features on SystemEver. Visual kei is designed by our team to make user can see the flow process easily by using iconic menu, and you can directly get into the menu by clicking the icon. If you want to go to visual kei, just click left button folder icon. After clicking it, you will see different models. Choose the process you want to perform. Okay. As you can see, in the visual kei, there are so many activities that we can choose. You can choose daily work from menu to your routine activity or transaction. Or you can choose the basic menu and find the menu that you want to use. First, I will show you the flow process on visual kei. Open visual kei and choose the daily work menu and then click the purchase activity like this. And you can see the process flow, and you can also easily enter the menu by clicking the icon. Then you will get into the menu automatically. Like this. So it's very easy, right, to use the visual kei. And that's the final of SystemEver overall introduction explanation video. Thank you for your watching and see you on the next video. Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us an email. SystemEver, making your business better.